Have you ever seen those headlines that say AI investor turns $10,000 into $10 million in 1 year? Sounds like a dream, right? You might think it's just luck or maybe a fluke. But here's the shocking truth, it's not luck. Smart investors are cashing in on the AI revolution right now, and they're making fortunes because they know exactly how to play the game. But here's the big question, can you be one of them? What's their secret? What are they doing differently? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why smart investors are winning big in the AI era and how you can start doing the same, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. This is the biggest wealth shift of the 21st century, and if you don't pay attention, you could miss your chance to get in early. AI isn't some futuristic concept anymore. It's happening right now. In fact, AI is the driving force behind some of the biggest technological breakthroughs we've ever seen in history. From self-driving cars to AI-powered medical breakthroughs, and even fully automated factories, AI is the backbone of industries that are changing the way we live, work, and do business. Here's the kicker. This transformation is just beginning, and it's only going to get bigger. The truth is, you don't need to be a tech expert to profit from AI. Think of AI as the engine powering the future economy, and this economy is worth trillions of dollars. The companies and industries that harness the power of AI today will be the ones leading the charge in the years to come. But here's the big question. How do you, as an investor, tap into this gold mine? Let's take a deeper look at how the AI economy works, and more importantly, how you can capitalize on it. We're in the middle of a new gold rush, but this time, the gold isn't something you can dig up with a shovel. It's AI. If you thought the internet boom of the late 90s was big, just wait. AI is transforming entire industries and creating new opportunities that didn't even exist just a decade ago. From automating everyday tasks to predicting future trends, AI is reshaping the entire global economy. Now, while companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are already leading the charge, the real opportunity lies in industries that haven't fully embraced AI yet. These sectors are still in their infancy with AI adoption, but the potential is huge. Think about industries like healthcare, agriculture, logistics, and education. These are all fields that are ripe for AI disruption and are set to explode in value over the next decade. This is where smart investors are stepping in. The great thing is, you don't have to buy into the big tech giants. Instead, you can invest in small companies, underdogs, and startups that are working on cutting-edge AI technologies. These are the hidden gems in the market. Companies that are poised for massive growth as AI continues to revolutionize the world. All right, you might be thinking, okay, AI is everywhere, but how do I actually make money from it? The answer is simple. Focus on the value, not the hype. Many investors hear AI and immediately think of self-driving cars, AI-powered assistants, or robots taking over. But here's the truth. AI is not just about cool gadgets. It's about real-world value. Smart investors know that the best AI opportunities come from companies that are using AI to solve real-world problems, like cutting costs, improving efficiency, or unlocking new revenue streams. Take Tesla, for example. They didn't just build a car, they built an entire AI ecosystem. From autonomous driving to energy efficiency, Tesla revolutionized the automotive industry, but they didn't stop there. They've become a major player in the AI space. That's the type of company you want to back, a company that integrates AI into the core of its business model, not just for the sake of tech, but to actually create value. But here's the challenge. Spotting these companies isn't easy. So let's dive into how smart investors identify the right companies to back. If you want to be a smart investor in AI, you need a strategy. Here's the playbook for finding AI stocks and companies that are set for long-term growth. 1. AI as a core business model. The first thing you need to check is whether AI is central to the company's operations. Google, Amazon, and Microsoft don't just use AI, they've built their entire business around it. But it's not just about tech giants. There are smaller companies and startups that are leading the way in AI innovation. Look for these hidden gems, companies that are deeply integrated into the AI ecosystem, not just dabbling in it. 2. Scalability is key. AI has massive scalability. What works in one industry can often be adapted to others. Cloud computing is the perfect example. Amazon and Microsoft have turned AI into a scalable model that grows across multiple industries. Look for companies that have products or services that can expand, like automation in one sector, or predictive analytics in another. 3. Competitive moats. The best AI companies are the ones that own valuable data and have proprietary algorithms. This gives them a competitive edge that's hard to replicate. These companies are building barriers to entry that protect their market position for years. If a company has exclusive data or unique AI models, they're going to have a huge advantage over competitors in the long run. 4. AI-specific industries. Don't limit yourself to just tech companies. AI is transforming every industry, from agriculture to education and logistics to financial services. Companies that are leading the way in AI-powered solutions for these industries will grow exponentially as AI becomes more embedded in traditional sectors. These industries are ripe for innovation, and smart investors are focusing on these sectors for the massive potential they hold. Timing is everything. The AI market is hot right now, but jumping in at the wrong time can lead to missed opportunities. Here's what you need to know. Early-stage companies. These can be risky. Many startups don't make it. Smart investors know that early-stage companies are unpredictable, and they wait for solid proof that a company's AI product is viable before jumping in. Growth stage. This is where the real sweet spot for AI investments lies. When a company is past the startup phase and is scaling its AI solutions, that's when the profits start to roll in. These companies have proven their business models and are expanding rapidly. Timing also means avoiding the hype. Too much excitement around a new AI product can signal an inflated price. Don't get caught up in the buzz of the next-gen AI product unless there's clear value and a pathway to profitability. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is following the herd. We've all seen it before. People rush in to invest in the latest trends because they're being pushed by the media or social influencers. The reality is, not every AI company will succeed, and many will fail. Don't be one of those investors. We saw the same thing with cryptocurrency. People rushed in and lost millions when the market corrected. The same thing could happen with AI. Don't just follow the trend. Find companies that are fundamentally sound, with long-term value and sustainable business models. Smart investors know that it's not about jumping on the latest trend. It's about finding the right opportunities that are undervalued and primed for growth. Short-term profits are exciting, but the real wealth in AI will be made over the long term. The AI revolution is just beginning, and the industries it's reshaping will create unimaginable value in the coming decades. If you position yourself as a long-term investor, you're setting yourself up to win big. Look at Tesla and SpaceX. They didn't just build products. They revolutionized entire industries with their long-term vision. That's the same approach you should take with AI. The long-term play is where you'll build real wealth. When people think of AI, they often think of the big tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. But here's the truth. The real gold mine could lie in smaller companies that are developing cutting-edge AI solutions. These under-the-radar companies are working on breakthroughs in AI-powered healthcare, autonomous drones, and AI in agriculture. And they could be the next big winner. Smaller companies are often more agile and innovative, and they're the ones that will scale quickly as AI becomes more embedded in industries. Hidden gems in AI are the companies that could generate huge returns for smart investors who discover them early. The future of AI is limitless. From quantum computing to AI-powered climate solutions, we're just scratching the surface. The next 10 to 20 years will see the emergence of entirely new industries powered by AI, and smart investors will be at the forefront of these changes. As an investor, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. The biggest rewards won't come from today's AI technologies. They'll come from tomorrow's. And the companies that shape the future of AI will create new markets, which means huge potential for those who get in early. The AI revolution is here, and it's waiting for you to get involved. Start researching AI companies, building your investment strategy, and get ready to profit from the biggest wealth shift of the 21st century. The smartest investors are already ahead of the curve, and now it's your turn. Subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments, and join the conversation. What's your next move in the AI era? Let's make it happen.